Hello there, and welcome to another edition of Case or No Case here on Fox Focus. I'm Andrea Williams, and that's my friend Jeff Pitman. He's an attorney at PKSD Law Firm. How are you, Jeff?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing well. Always good to see you, and I think I'm ready for you today.
Okay, so I know you're big on snowmobiling. And so you and your friend are going to be snowmobiling at night. Okay. She's riding right behind you on the back of the snowmobile. And as you're driving down this trail, you've got your headlight on. And suddenly you see a branch in your way. You can't avoid it. So you run into this big branch. Your friend is thrown from the snowmobile and she breaks her leg as a result of that crash. So, case or no case against you for hitting that branch in the trail.
I think that one's pretty cut and dry. I'm going to say it's a case.
Yeah, it is a case. Okay. So you have your headlight on, which you're supposed to, but you also need to be driving at a speed so that you can react and stop to anything that's on the trail. So everybody knows that it's in Wisconsin, you're outside, you're on a trail, that branches and things can fall onto that trail. So you have to be ready for anything. So there is a case.
Good information as always. They do have a proven record of success. And if you need their help, just dial the threes 333 3333 for the PKSD guarantee.